Hello guys, it's been a while, but I'm back. I'm up on the falls today, so come along and join me on this adventure. Yes, it's first camp for 2023. I'm going to try and do a lot more this year, get this channel pushed. I've got John Boy with me today. We're heading up to Fair Snape Fell. So it's going to be a couple of hours walk. I've got a new tent as well to pitch up and use tonight. I think everybody knows what the tent is, but yeah, I'll show you when I get it up. So yeah, let's get up this hill, get up onto the falls and start the walk over. Right guys, we're just having a rest. We're not too far away now. I can see Fair Snape in the distance. I'm just looking out over there, the hills at Blackpool. Oh, it's warm, but cold at the same time. Yeah, good walk up to now. Not too hard going, but yeah, just a quick little rest. And I'll bring you back now when we're up on the fell, getting ready to set the tent up. Yeah, catch you soon guys. Guys, let's bring it back in. So the saying goes, what goes up must come down. We're still going up. I would just flip you around and show you this little sledging spot. Yeah, this is going to be fun. I reckon John can go first. Right guys, we're at the top now, just tapped out at the trig, got my can open, John's just stripped off, you know, it's not like it's not cold or anything. because it's a bit chilly up here. Been a few people up, they're going down now, some people are coming back up. Ground's a bit solid, so hopefully we can get them pegs in the ground, or else we'll be flying off the Blackpool before we know it. So yeah, just going to chill out for a bit now, have a beer, and I'll bring you back a bit later. Right guys, I'm all set up now. I'll flip you around and show you the tent I'm using. Is that 2 secs? So guys, I've been out, I've treated myself to a Cloud Peak 2. Well, it's not the first time I've pitched it at home, and it's gone up pretty easy today. I would have thought the ground would have been a bit hard, but to be honest with you, pegs are flown in. Let's take you inside for a quick tour of my abode. So I've got my sleeping bag, it's an heavy X one. I'm using an X-Ped sleep mat. I've just got some bits and bobs here down the side, but that's it really. Yeah, so that's the setup for tonight. I'll flip you back around. Yeah, so I'm all set up. This is the view I'm going to be waking up to in the morning. Absolutely stunning up here. I'm so glad to be back out, enjoying what I do, enjoying what I like doing the most. John's finished his setting up now. Can't wait to see the sun drop and see what I can see at night. So yeah, I'm going to get the kettle on now, make a brew, and I'll bring you back a bit later guys. Bye. What a view this is guys. It's just sat here with the sun beaming on your face, looking out over to the coast, Blackpool, Fleetwood. But on a clear day you must probably be able to see Southport as well, which is crazy. What a view, what a day, what a hike, what a wild camp this is going to be. Catch you in guys. Right guys, I'm going to get my tea on, I'm going to call it an night here. So yeah, for my tea I've got pork fillet medallions and lemon and pepper with some egg fried rice. So yeah, I'm going to get that cooked. I still can't get any of the views from here, the sun's gone down now. So yeah, I'll catch you in the morning guys, and I'll leave you with a quick sunset video. Peace out guys, see you in the morning. Morning campers. Oh, slept well last night. A bit cold at some point, but that's it really. Tent's frosty up. Tent's a bit flappy, but I don't mind that. As soon as I'm asleep, I'm asleep. So yeah, I'm gonna get moving now, make a brew. I'll start getting packed up and I'll speak to you a little bit. Peace out. Well guys, back at the car now. Gonna grab some breakfast and then head back into Preston. So this is gonna be the end of the video now. So yeah, I'll catch you on the next one guys. See you there.